Hello everyone, and welcome to my screencast for VFW Class 1210 Project 3. This week we were completing our edit and delete item buttons or links. We were also validating our fields that might be required for our particular application. Overall, I had a pretty simple time this week. Had a lot of fun with it, but I got done with the project fairly quick and unfortunately spent about 3 days trying to figure out why my information that I edited was populating a second entry and not overwriting the data. I finally got a hold of Mr. Gibson, and he clarified that it's actually something that's expected with this project because we don't have enough logic in the code for the new information to overwrite what we already had in local storage. One of the things I did discover this week was, one, how to get a default value for my radio buttons. If I tried to submit with nothing clicked on either radio button, it was returning null in the saved data. So I figured out how to make my radio button default with the no, as well as my slider actually displays the value changing as you move it. It's always a good idea, I think, to validate your fields in a form, of course based on what the purpose is of your application, but in my case, the email, because you know that after the @ in an email there should not be numbers, and it's a very specific format, so that definitely needs to be validated to make sure that it's done correctly. I validated multiple fields for my text fields simply because I want them to be required, since for mine, medication and the strength of it and whatnot is a pretty important thing, and I want to make sure the users don't forget to put that in. Let's see. Validation messages. For my project, I simply put, please input first name. Please enter your a valid email address. Please input your medication strength. I wanted to leave it for mine pretty basic and straight to the point, so that when the error message does pop up, it's extremely clear and easy to understand what it was that was done wrong. But once again, this is my screencast for VFW Class 1210 Project 3. Thank you for watching and have a great day.